it's a pretty exciting day today because I'm taking the Jag to the doctor. It has no any big issues, no any problems, but the biggest issue I have right now is the AC. The AC is not blowing cold, and can you imagine in Florida in the summertime with no AC? Gosh, I'm already dripping actually. Today we're going to see the doctor, but first let's go for a proper wash. Alright, welcome to Thoroughbred Motors. Look at this beautiful red XJS. This is a pretty crazy looking SL63 AMG. One of my dreams actually. Mr. Ken!
What's up, bud?
What up?
That's good with you, man.
Are you okay to be in the vlog?
Oh, yeah.
I was actually looking for you. I came like 20 minutes ago and
Yeah.
what's up?
You know.
So you're in the vlog now.
Oh, yeah, you're in the vlog. All right.
This is Ken, guys. I think he's one of the coolest mechanics in Sarasota.
Yeah.
That's what I think. One of the nicest mechanics I met here in South Florida.
This is the playground.
This is one of my first vlogs, by the way, and I said, you know what? I have to start it with Thoroughbred Motors by fixing the AC.
Yeah.
He loves to work on Jaguars and some crazy rare cars, right?
That's right. Yeah, like this is an Excalibur.
Yeah, I saw it actually a few days ago when I came, like last week.
Yeah, it's Excalibur, nice little
This is
car.
a really, crazy looking roadster. And if I'm not wrong, there were like about 1800 made, right?
Yeah.
No, wait, it runs?
Oh, yeah, man.
Let's hear it.
That's how we do here. Have to get in.
Man, I love this car. Look at this. Don't say that the battery's dead.
That's a quick fix. That's
Great job, Ken. I love it, man.
hey.
What a
That's what we
crazy
do here.
car. What a
Thoroughbred
crazy
Motors.
looking car, man. I'm in love.
She's at the doctor right now. I gotta take her in and give her an
The
exam.
doctor is here.
Yeah. so I can see what's going on.
Thanks, Ken. I know the car is in good hands.
Get your baby back on the road.
Amazing. Cool, cool, cool. Let me take a look at that Morgan, because like I said, I'm in love with Morgan cars, man. This is one of my favorite brands. Morgan Plus 4. Gosh. You know, if I could own one, if I had to own one, I would just drive it every day. Seriously. I would take it as a daily. Yeah, the battery as always. What is this?
MG.
It's an MG.
Yeah.
Whew. I love the shape of this car, man.
Got a couple of them.
I would drive this every day.
Yeah, she got class.
Can you imagine how many heads it will turn on the road? Every day.
Oh yeah.
Sick. I remember when I moved a few months ago to Sarasota, I was looking for a shop where I could service my XJS. I was looking for a professional mechanic. So I stumbled upon these guys, and I had no idea what's hidden inside here. That's why I keep calling this place a hidden gem. And they've got some awesome guys working here. Their entire team is just awesome. I mean, there's nothing to complain about. I'm gonna show you a few cars that are hidden here. They're just simply waiting for their future home. Look at that. There's an XJS exactly like mine. I mean, it's almost, it's the bumper is. And look at this beautiful E-Type. Simply pure elegance. Gosh, what a beautiful color. Look at this interior. Awesome. That's what caught my eye. Look at this Triumph. That's the type of cars I love, actually. They're just hidden here and waiting for their future owner and home. Classy, really classy. Two beautiful E-Types. Hello.
Hello.
Here's another XJS with manual transmission, which I think is pretty rare. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And I saw something there. A very, very stylish looking Jag. I don't know the model, but probably it's some sort of Mark 1, Mark 2, I don't know which one. But God, look at this. You don't see them anymore around. Okay, it's time for me to go back home and let Ken work on my XJS, and I'll probably come back in the evening and pick it up. Oh, now we're talking. Now finally my AC is blowing a cold air, and it's even colder than I expected it to be. Hey, I'm really happy. Finally I can go on a long trip comfortably enough. Thank you once again, Ken and the entire team, for the hard work you do every single day. It will be always a pleasure for me to return to this shop. Now it's time for me to close the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I'm out of here. I'll see you in the next one. Gosh, this feels good.